So look, we're getting towards the tail end. We've got 10 minutes left, and we're looking for some takeaways. So as we move towards the end of the session, if someone is watching the webinar and could only do one thing tomorrow to improve stakeholder alignment, what would you pick?
So I'm going to make this very simple because it's very difficult to learn the hard skills and do the other stuff. And not everybody's going to have time to read the entire book, but I think it's really just changing the way that we approach conversations and use value as that universal language. So if you're a data leader, if you're a business person, and you're having the conversation with one another, let value be sort of the point of departure for those conversations, and really start on, from that point of departure in terms of what generates value for the organization. So don't think about, what does business deem to be value, what does the data teams or IT teams deem to be value. What is the things that's on that company scorecard that is either, as we spoke about not too long ago, Matt, about, either increasing revenue, decreasing costs, decreasing risk. That should be the main things. And if you can tie what you're doing back to that, and you just start changing the way that you approach conversations, that's probably going to be the best thing that you can take away from the session.